chocolate blueberry clusters. These are sugar-free, great little keto fat bomb. Chocolate blueberry clusters. This is a nice, sweet, concentrated blueberry, and we're going to put it into a little silicone mold. And this actually came about, it was actually a mistake. We were making some blueberry jam and we went too long and it got really thick, and we just about couldn't get it out of the pot, so we put it into a mold and we made these nice concentrated blueberry clusters, and then we added in chocolate sauce on top. So the recipe for this is below in the comments. So I've got my induction burner on to medium heat to start. I'm going to take 1 cup of blueberries. These are frozen. I've got a ½ cup of powdered erythritol, and I highly recommend turning erythritol into a powder. You don't want any graininess in these clusters. So I just used the bullet for that. So in goes the sugar. I haven't tried it with allulose yet, but I will. And we'll turn this down to a medium-low heat. We're going to go for about 6 to 8 minutes. You don't want to go too long. If you go too long, it's going to be too hard to eat. There, I turn that down to level 4. These will break down nicely. I'll just set a quick timer. I'm going to set it for 6 minutes. It's going pretty good here, so I'm going to turn it down to 3. The 4 on this induction burner is a little too high. You want to go to the berries break down and you evaporate some of the liquid from the blueberries. That's exactly 6 minutes. And I really like this. This is a nice consistency. It's a very concentrated blueberry sauce. It's just the right amount of sugar for us. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use a silicone tray. If that's all that you have is a mini Teflon muffin cup, then just grease it with your finger, some butter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop this while it's hot into each of these, just about half full. You kind of want to divide it up evenly. There, I managed to get most of it into the cups. Now, if you haven't tried my chocolate sauce, I'll put a link for it here, but this is made from 100% cocoa, or you can use baker's chocolate, and it's got some coconut oil in it and some powdered erythritol. And we're going to just put like a little squirt right on the top. What else is really good with this is sometimes I serve it with a little bit of caramel sauce on the bottom. Just set it on top. These are great little fat bombs. There you go. I've covered them all up with some chocolate sauce. And now into the fridge for a couple of hours. I put them in the fridge for a couple of hours, and then they just pop out with this little silicone tray. See, and they're kind of hard because they're cool. You can keep them in the freezer, but it's a great little fat bomb. Chocolate blueberry clusters. It's a great keto treat. Thanks for watching.